While Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Kathmandu to attend the 18th SAARC summit, his visit is also aimed at taking the Indo-Nepal ties to a new high. The importance that the centre attaches to strong ties with Nepal is underscored by the pact signed and the gifts offered by India to Nepal on Prime Minister's first day of his second visit to Nepal in 4 months. After reaching Kathmandu on Tuesday afternoon, the Prime Minister inaugurated Nepal Bharat Maitri Emergency and Trauma Centre. This 200-bedded centre is a Rs 1.5 billion project by the Indian government. The centre will also have 150 beds in the trauma ward, 6 operation theatres, 14 ICUs, 8 resuscitation rooms and beds for emergency observation among other facilities.
नेपाल और भारत के मैत्री का ये उत्तम नजराना है जो एक प्रकार से जीवन की सौगात दे रहा है, और जो नजराना जीवन की सौगात देता है वो हमें जड़ों से जोड़ता है। और इसलिए ये ट्रॉमा सेंटर भारत और नेपाल के बीच एक जीवंत संबंध का उदाहरण बन रहा है।
The Prime Minister handed over to Nepal an advanced light helicopter which will be used for military operations. The Dhruv Mark III is manufactured by state-owned aerospace and defence company Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. He assured that work would soon be completed on the 125 megawatt power transmission line to provide electricity to Nepal.
हम चाहते थे कि नेपाल को बिजली मिले, ज्यादा बिजली मिले। ट्रांसमिशन लाइन मजबूत बनाने के लिए बहुत ही कम समय में काम पूरा हो जाएगा। 125 मेगावाट बिजली और यहां आना शुरू हो जाएगी। इतना ही नहीं, एक नई लाइन तैयार हो रही है और जिसकी क्षमता 1000 मेगावाट की है। अब नेपाल जगमगा उठेगा, ये मेरा पूरा विश्वास है।
Earlier, when the Prime Minister arrived at the Kathmandu airport, he was given a guard of honor. And when he arrived at the hotel, he was welcomed by school children. Even before he left New Delhi for Kathmandu, his pre-departure statement underscored his thrust on stronger ties with Nepal. He said, "This will be my second visit to Nepal within 4 months, which reflects the importance we attach to our unique and special relations with Nepal." The first day of Prime Minister's ongoing tour to Nepal was substantive for Indo-Nepal ties. He had bilateral talks with his Nepalese counterpart Sushil Koirala and signed a host of pacts ranging from twin city agreements between Kathmandu, Varanasi, Janakpur, Ayodhya and Lumbini, Bodh Gaya to motor vehicle agreement under which permit would be given to vehicles to ply on designated routes in each other's country. India and Nepal agreed to enhance cooperation in tourism and hospitality sector, gifted Nepal a mobile soil testing lab to boost soil health monitoring and adoption of best agricultural practices, finalized terms of $1 billion Indian assistance for Nepal's infrastructure development, decided to assist Nepal in construction of the National Police Academy in Panauti and allowed Rs 500 and 1000 denomination notes up to the limit of 25,000 to be brought to Nepal from India. Prime Minister Modi met Nepalese President Ram Baran Yadav, Vice President among other leaders of the country. Ties with Nepal are on an upswing with the Prime Minister's thrust on his government's neighbourhood first policy. With Rohan and Manjeet Thakur, DD News.